For Toyota, 2018 was more than 365 days, more than a milestone, more than a launch that changed the way India drives. It was the start of new journeys. Journeys that brought families closer, onto trust, inspired professionals to scale greater heights, explore uncharted territories, experience the rush, embrace the importance of safety, strike the perfect chord to a balanced life, give people another reason to smile, and became a part of everyone's family. After a year that celebrated legacy and reveled in new journeys, here's to an exciting 2019.